industries that we can do very well in, develop that real depth of capabilities, semiconductor industry is one of them. It is a key part of our future. And it's that depth of capabilities that's going to drive future growth. Singapore is a good place to develop, testbed, and commercialize solutions for the region, for the world. There are many pioneers, and many are in this room. And on behalf of the government and the industry as a whole, I want to thank you for making possible what we have today and laying the foundations for the future. We remain committed to working with industry partners, to pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation, and to developing the highest quality of human capital in Singapore.